Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have my very first haul from Fashion Nova. I have ordered like quite a few things from Fashion Nova, and let me just say I'm excited. This is the first time I've ordered from Fashion Nova and I'm recording it. I have ordered from them in the past, but I've ordered like pajamas. I've never ordered actual clothes. So I do have a try on haul here for you guys today. Yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much in the beginning. I want to get straight to the point. So if you want to see me try on some clothes from Fashion Nova, then just keep on hopping right in. The first thing I did order from Fashion Nova was a two-piece set. I'm obsessing over two-piece sets. I have a hard time coordinating what I want to wear. This is the Slither to Me Legging Set purple combo. I got it in a size large, and I didn't know this was like see-through. So, and I didn't pay attention because it's a bodysuit. I hate bodysuits. This looked like it's going to be rather large on me, but we will see. I didn't want my stuff too tight. If anything, I've learned from my last try on haul, like, sis, you really don't wear a medium. You wear a large. So yeah, the quality seems nice. We'll see when I try this on. And then the bottom, I'm hoping is not too big. The waist looks large, but we'll see. Things can be really deceiving. The bottom is not as sheer as the top is, I will say that. And this is really silky and stretchy, so I probably could have sized down. I'll let you know after I try it on. Let me know this. Do you guys want me to try the clothes on and then come on camera and talk about how they actually fit, or do you like me to open the stuff so you get my first reaction on the actual material and everything? But yeah, this looks like really good quality, although it looks big. So that's the first thing I got. I did take advantage of their 40% off sale. And then I did pick up just a black shirt that tied on the side. I got this to go with the fringy skirt that I got from AliExpress. I will retry that skirt on with this so we can see what it looked like together. And I do notice that I didn't show you guys the skirt that I bought for $40. So I'll try that one and I'll show you. So yeah, I got this in a size large as well. It ties up on the side and it's ribbed. This I probably could have got a medium as well too. I don't know. That's the only thing about shopping online. I will say that's amazing quality. Now this I ordered and I accidentally ordered two of them. So I just sent one back. The return process was really easy. I just went online and went to my account. I clicked on the skirt and I was able to purchase a return shipping label for $3.99. And yeah, I sent it back. This I got in a size large too. This is like a really long sweater dress. I did get this in a large because I did not want it tight on me. I want to be able, like, if I want to wear this to Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner with my family and not look like I'm going to the club. But this is ribbed. It's sweater material. It's got weight to it, so you're not going to be cold. And like I said, I got that in a size large. I was so happy to get that I accidentally ordered two. So yeah, I had to send that back, which sucks. I could have got another outfit. And then now I have the heart on my sleeve velvet leggings set. Oh gosh, I hope the sleeve's not cut out with hearts. I don't think I was paying attention. I got this in a large and the color is royal. Okay, it is a two-piece. It has shoulder pads in it. It's a bodysuit. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. It's a bodysuit. I really don't like nothing clinging down in my crotch area. Yeah, it's velvet, really pretty. I don't know. This looks like it's gonna be really, it's gonna be big. What the fuck? It looks like it's gonna be big. So I'm hoping when I try it on, I can fit it. Next, I did get like a bomber coat. I have been looking for coats like this. I think these are perfect to wear when it is cold, rainy, cold and raining outside. So you get to be warm and you get to have something that's like a protector from rain. So this was, what are they calling this coat? This is the Desired Puffer Jacket in a size large, black. And this is what it looked like. I did get a large. I do like my jackets like oversized in case I want to wear a sweater underneath. Comes with buttons and a zipper. All right, there's like, you know how sometimes at the sleeve you have like material here to cuff around your ankle? There isn't any of that. Let me check the lining out in the inside. They do have functioning pockets in the front. They're not deep at all, but they do button the pockets. And let's check out the inside. So it is lined. It's too much. So I got that, and then I did get 2 workout shirts. I was bamboozled. I thought I was getting workout sets. I really wasn't paying attention. I did wear one the other day at the gym, and this is the turquoise one. These are amazing quality. They were only $14.99. These are called Vital Goddess long sleeve infinity seamless. They do have the area where you can put your thumb out or you can wear it straight. I will say I am a double D. If you wear a double D, these are not for us at all. There's only like a short area here for your breast. Like I had to keep pulling my shirt down. The only thing saved me is that I'm still wearing an undergarment, so you would see my undergarment and not my bare skin or my boobs. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna open this one because I would just give it to my cousin or somebody. So when I do the try on, I will just try this one on so y'all can see how it look. So next I did pick up a knit dress in a baby blue. I did get this in a size large. Again, I didn't want this stuff to be real tight. Only thing like with a dress, you can get away with it being loose, but pants, I don't want no pants soggy in the crotch and all that. So this is cute. I got this for when like I'm going on date night with my husband, and I want to do a little something without doing too much, but I still want to look like I put forth some effort. I still want to look like I put forth some effort. And this does go all the way down to the ankle. You can dress these up or down, which I like. I'm a UGG girl, so I would probably dress this down with Uggs instead of shoes. So I do have another coat that I got, and this is called Tula Oversized Shepherd Jacket. When I saw this on a model, I was like, oh my gosh, she looks so warm. I like this. These are the type of coats I like to wear. I'm glad. You know what? I got this in a large. Oh, it's huge. Please tell me. Oh, it draws string on the sides. I was about to be like, Fashion Nova, what the fuck? So, yeah, I got this. It does draw a string, but I did read the reviews, and everyone, this is a size medium large. So everyone in the reviews was like, bitch, you need this. So yeah, I did pick this up. You have pockets here that are orange. It's lined. This is bomb. I'm happy I snagged this. This was only $23 with the 40% off. I like when jackets have this on the end. This is definitely a jacket when I'm going out the door to head to class. I'm just like, I'll be back. I'll see y'all in the, and you look warm, you look cute. So guys, we are at the end of this video. Let me know down below what you thought of this video, what you thought of these outfits. Do you shop from Fashion Nova? Let me know some good things that I should pick up or some good sites that I should try to purchase some stuff on. But yeah, this is the end. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe. Become part of my little family. We are growing. We're almost at 2K. Yay. So yeah, I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.